So I finally got this off, as you can see. That's how it comes off. You push that in and it moves that little pin in there. You go like this and it pushes that up. But I'm glad I oiled the hell out of it and I got it out. So now on to the other one. See what I can do here. Not easy. Nobody said it was going to be easy. See what we got for light here. There we go. I'm going to try this. Probably be better over here. There we go. Can you see that? Maybe this baby will come loose now. Oh, it's a fight. This one don't want to pop. I probably should have gloves on to do this. Doesn't want to pop. I'm trying, as you can see. Nope. Can't get no leverage on this thing to make it pop. It's too flimsy. Gotta get this door open. Gotta get more leverage on it. This way, maybe. No. Try it behind the plastic. There it is. I got it that time. Found it good. Look at that. Whew. A little bit of and that oil helped the Freol spray. Yay, got it. Next thing I got to do is sand down this back a little bit so I can paint it.